You hear all the time about the benefits of exercise, but many people don't understand the specific benefits that can be enjoyed with a good exercise plan. There are more benefits than you might think that come along with a good exercise routine. Not only will you get all of the health benefits including a toned and well-muscled body, but you will also restore your confidence and self-esteem in the process. Self-esteem is one of the best benefits of exercise that you don't always hear about. When you begin to get in shape and lose weight with your exercise routine, you will automatically feel better about yourself and work even harder on your healthy routine. For many people, this is the beginning of a whole new way of living. Even if you don't begin with a healthy diet, the restoration of your self-esteem and the boost to your self-confidence will inspire you to start watching what you eat as well. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities that a person can have. This is another of those benefits of exercise that is not listed often enough. People who are confident hold themselves taller and are not afraid to try new things. This can make you more attractive than the smaller size and weight loss that you will experience from your exercise routine. Of course, there are a great many health benefits of exercise that should not be ignored. Obesity is responsible for more health problems than almost any other issue. When you begin to include exercise in your daily routine and begin burning calories at a much faster rate, you will begin to lose weight. Add in a healthy diet, and the weight will come off even faster. A weight loss can result in a decreased risk of heart disease, diabetes and cancer. These are no small benefits, and they are ones that will help you to live a longer and healthier life. All of these benefits can be used by including exercise in your daily schedule. Even if you have not exercised for a long period of time, you can start off with a brisk walk to get started on your road to good health. Wake up a little earlier in the morning and start off your day with a quick walk around the block. Over time, you can add to your walk and before you know it, you will be racking up the miles every day. Go at your own pace and learn to listen to your body while you are just starting out. Always start with a good warm-up and end your exercise with a cool down. This is the best way to care for your muscles before you begin your harder exercises, and it will prevent injury. The benefits of exercise can be yours if you include exercises that you enjoy in your daily routine. Dance, if that is what you enjoy. Go for a swim or just take a walk around the block.